The following is my collection of Star Wars Expanded Universe toys. Here's Fal Mordama, Tiles Jedi, Volvifmon from 2D Clone Wars, Obi-Wan Kenobi from 2D Clone Wars, Luke Skywalker, 2D Mace Windu, a random Rhodian Jedi, Asajj Ventress, Yasana Sara, a Yuzong Vong, a random human Jedi, Voltaire Swan, Saucy Tin in clone armor, Varan Karab, Ithorian Jedi, Anakin Battle Damage, Ghost Hand Anakin from Nelvon, Sora Bulk, Kate Skywalker, Darth Plagueis the Wise, an Imperial Knight Ganner Krieg, Ayla Secura, Princess Nisa from Ewoks, Wicket from Ewoks, Toll Scar, Scorch from the Republic Commando series, Darth Sidious, Darth Bane, a Destroyer droid with his head cut off, Commander Thyre, Sui Choi, Mara Jade, Alpha 17, the Dark Woman, Star Killer, Captain Fordo, Asherad Het, a random male Twi'lek Jedi, Darth Revan, Reborn Clone Emperor Palpatine, Darth Nihilus, Yoda's Kaibuck, using his tail. Can't remember her name, the Mandalorian from Old Republic. Prince Shizor, Kit Fisto from 2D Clone Wars, Villy or Vinny from Republic Comics, Dark Empire Luke Skywalker, Darth Malgus, Aura Singh, Battle Damage Darth Vader from The Force Unleashed, Super Battle Droid, Kyle Katarn, Pre-Cyborg General Grievous, Quinlan Voss, Bastila Shan, Shadows of the Empire Princess Leia, an A-Wing pilot from the deleted scenes, Juno Eclipse, Captain Faye, Commander Faye, a space trooper, Grand Admiral Thrawn, Dirge, Darth Lumaya, some battle droid pieces, Baron Sunterfell, Darth Malak, Snow Bunny Padme, Namanora, New Jedi Order Luke Skywalker, 2D Clone Wars Yoda, and Mara Jade.